So go ahead and get the blade out of the way. Show the blade. Hopefully I'm focusing out here. Got the camera over to the side. I'm not good at doing reach around camera action. Sitting on a stool with a tiny tripod. Max level, once again, he switched the blade, the knife blade, with I think the little craft utility blade, I think, and then that lets you push down. I'm not sure. I think he switched the regular blade with the craft blade. That lets you push down on this lock to release the blade, I think. So while I got the blade that I'm going to not use, take it out of the tool. You can see stuff. This paper's a little got wet some, but this blade's not doing real great. So it's kind of a little dark. I maybe should move around, but here's the blade. You pull it out. There's a little hole in the blade. You pull it out of there. And everything kind of clumps a little bit. To get the blade out, you open this lock all the way to there. And then the blade is supposed to, pull out. Not very sharp. Close that, it's locked back in. Those tools have a little wiggle. And I think it was the utility blade that he switched stuff with. Switched the utility and the normal blade. See what that does. It's a little fumbly, like everybody says, but it's also anything can be fumbly the first time. Messing with it. Alright, it's locked right now. I thought I could push down on that. I'll have to figure that out. I don't think the fumbliness is going to bother me, or the clumping. I don't really care a lot about whipping out a tool one-handed necessarily. Here's the blade that wasn't cutting hardly at all. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. Might see it right there. The grind is pretty crooked, lopsided. I think you can see it. And the tip. Not sure it's showing too good on the camera. I can't get it too great. But yeah, it's crooked down here too. Not too upset. Like I said, I don't use a blade and a multi-tool. I usually have a knife or 2 or 3 on me anyways. It's very quick and easy, and I like my knives. So I'm not too upset about that, but yeah, it is pretty crappy. Try again to show it. It's like more blunt here and more angled here. So whatever to that. Maybe I'll fix it and keep it in the sheath just so I have another blade. You can never have too many blades. My new thoughts on this not good blade, which I don't ever usually use the blade in my multi-tool, but I think I'm gonna chop it down, Warncliffe utility blade type of shape. And if I do that to the correct length, I think I could actually put the blade in right here. Once it's chopped down, it'll fit beside this little plier guard. And then it can be my rough use beat it up blade. So that's probably what I'm gonna do with this thing. Chop it down somewhere like that.